Bobia. Today we're gonna draw a parrot. First, we're gonna draw the hair of the parrot. Do a triangle shape and then do like this and then cut. And we're gonna do the same thing the other side. And then we're gonna do one little one beside it. And then we're gonna draw the head. The big head. So the head will be right here, and then after tail, and then go straight up, and then do a thing like this. There's the wing and head. Almost, we don't forget to draw the forehead and then the tail. First, we're going to draw the tail because the tail is what we draw first, or maybe work if we don't draw the foot first. We have to start to draw right here, go right up until here, stop, and play with the forehead. Now, do a great cute little beak like this. Down, a little great smile, and a little straight line. That's how we draw it. Now that's a great parrot. We spell the color in the great parrot's mouth. See, it's a beautiful parrot, like this. We're gonna draw his feet and his eyes very quick, or we won't have enough time. This, do like this, a half circle, a little eye shape person, and color all of it. And it's like this. And then after, we're going to add a little, these things. And now, add some of these things. These things are the feet. See? Great feet. And now, we're going to start the color. Well, for the body, I'm going to color blue, like these blue. And I already draw one of these, and it's like this. So I'm going to copy this one and color it like this one. So first, let's start coloring. First, we color the body blue. And then the wings too. This. Now we're finished to color the bird's wings and the body and the front. Now we're going to color the tail, dark blue. And we're going to color around the eyes, dark blue too. Now we're going to draw some orange in the dark blue. And now I'm gonna draw a stick under his feet with the color brown. And draw some little sticks right here. And we're gonna draw the leaves and the tree. Like this. And then use brown again to draw the trunk of the tree. Right there. Now we're gonna draw the sticks to put up the leaves. Bye! Don't forget to share my video with your friends.